So, when did you realize that you had to leave Pakistan?
Because I told you that there was looting, even they attacked us at our residence, but that was the other's grace that we were saved. Otherwise, they came on our door. We were there on 16th.
6 तारीख है
हाँ
जनवरी में
कराची में
अमल अमल कॉलोनी में मेरे को यूज नहीं
हैदराबाद में मदर रोड एक्सटेंशन
थोड़ा एक्सटेंशन
दादा ये घर खा दादा यो संस्था का असांजो घर 5 minutes walk
दैट इज अमल कॉलोनी ना
हाँ
हां क्लेटन रोड
हाँ
हां तो आई वाज स्टेइंग देयर
So,
we were
what did you feel? Did you feel scared? Were you sad? Did you leave your friends?
We were scared naturally that time because they came on our door. It was by God's grace that at that time my father and mother had a idea that they could try put the latch from inside. Otherwise, it was supposed to be locked up from outside. So they had a hammer and they were trying to hammer it from inside. And those people thought that already some people have reached Pakistan. Colony was very close to us. So they thought that already people are inside. Why not we go to other house? So they went and looted that house and we were safe there. That way. And I remember very well that we were small and we had a small puja room in the house. We were calling out Dada. Dada hari asaike bachcha achi bahar asi na nanda. We were calling out and then they went. But then naturally everybody was very scared. We had 3 tenants also. They were also in one house and all that we had. But later on they got settled because my father's full shop was looted, everything. It was for which he was offered 5 lakhs. It was given for 5,000 only empty place and machine total asset. So naturally there was a feeling that we must go.
Were you friends
But
with
later,
did you have Muslim friends? How did your relationship with the Muslims change?
We did not have Muslim friends, but there were people who were working with us. I remember that some of these bais were Muslim ladies who used to come to clean the grains and all that, or wash clothes like that, or polish our shoes, and milkmen. They are all these people. And my father was under the influence of Dada. We used to go to villages to go and serve them. ते लालू खेत ऐं ये मल्लीर जे इन हिते जेके वेझा वेझा हुआ त we used to go to do, and mainly once there was very heavy rains. They were heavy and they suffered a lot. So my father, they took lot of grains and this medicines. He was a doctor also. So that way we had, but otherwise directly we did not have any friends. But then after this, because we had 4 apartments in that one building and we had given 3 for rent. One of the people, Dr. Prem Ramchandani, he had a Muslim friend. In the railway he was working. Then he brought them to stay with us in that Prem's house, and Prem was staying with us, so that they may be able to save us on the next day. But then we found that after 2 days, again when they attacked Pakistan colony people, they did not come out to save us. Therefore, there is a proverb in our Sindhi language: Yattao je vesau ta, yattao na vesau je vesau ta musau.
means
Yattao na vesau. Je Veso, yet to man a Muslim kid. On Muslims we should not have faith on their saying. But if we have faith, means we are duped.
Wow.
They are the people who will not be straight.
And then how did you come to India?
Similarly, what happened even after this, after 5 days, 5 months we were staying in Hyderabad. We were studying in St. Mira's school. We had school there. Muslim girls were there. That time they were very good And the day you remember, you must have heard that there was a Muslim meeting in the night after Jinnah's death.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
They say no, that we distributed Kanal Prasad, and they said that Shira was halwa was distributed. So they went and spoke for Sadhu Vaswani in the meeting, and they said we will see to it. Next day, when we went to school, these same girls, their attitude became very different. So they are the people, but later on, many Sindhis who are there, they have now friends. They have very good association with them, but that time, that was a time when, at the time of partition, they had also suffered, and they were also shifting from their places to another new place. Whatever be that attitude of revenge or something was there in their mind.
And how did you come to India?